thanks for stopping by. I'm just about to make some Panko Bread Crumbs. I needed some for a recipe, ran out, so I figured why not go ahead and make them. It's so easy. One ingredient, and that's white bread. Let me show you. Come on, let's get started. I have 7 slices of bread. I'm just making a few. Sorry. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut the edges off because we don't want that. You know, Panko Bread Crumbs are white. And this is just a cheap loaf of bread, nothing special. I paid about 69 cents for it. And you can use those too with your regular breadcrumbs. That's what I'm going to do too. We're not going to toss this out. And there, those there. We're going to use them too, as I said. Show you a different way to use those. And I have my box grater, and I'm going to use the big ones. We're just going to take them and kind of ball it up in our hand. And we're just going to grate it. I have my oven heated on 350. Be careful, you know. Cut your hands. I used to cut my knuckles a lot when I would use this grater. But I would be holding whatever like this, and I would nick my knuckles a lot. Okay, we have those there. And they cost in the store. You know, like I said, they don't cost a whole lot, but still you can cut that cost. Like I said, buy you a cheap loaf of bread, and that is it. Grate it. Take 2 or 3 minutes to grate it like I'm doing. And we're going to spread them out on this baking sheet. Baking, not bacon. That is it. I'm going to move this aside. I want you to see how they look. Just like the Panko Bread Crumbs. And we're just going to spread them out. That was a little big right there. Spread them out. You can see. And I'm going to cover them because I don't want them to burn. And like I said, my oven's on 350. I'm going to put my timer on 10 minutes, and then we'll check them. Okay, I had to leave it in maybe a few minutes longer. Excuse me, for 1 minute. Ooh, that's hot. A few minutes longer because this was fresh bread. Stale bread usually, you know, does better and it dries out quicker. But as you can hear, that's your Panko Bread Crumbs. And, you know, they're fresher. Like I said, you know what's in it when you do stuff yourself. And it didn't take a lot of time. And only cost you a couple of pennies. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the the bread edges that I cut off. You use them too. Don't you dare throw them away. Okay, now I'm going to use the edges that I cut off. Hold on. And I'm still going to use my box grater. You can use your processor, whichever you choose. But I'm going to use this side with the small, with the small grapes. Like these, but the small ones. Not this one. Okay. And the same thing. And these you can keep plain, if you like plain breadcrumbs, or you can add whatever seasonings that you like. Included Parmesan, but I would use the powdered Parmesan cheese that you sprinkle on pizza or spaghetti or whatever you use it for, as opposed to the fresh Parmesan. This one I'm just going to add some garlic powder and some chives. Because that's what I like in my breadcrumbs. I'm talking, this is taking a minute. Shouldn't take you that long, well. Like I said, this bread is fresh, so it you know, it takes a little more to grade. But if you plan on making some from some old bread, just let your bread stay out and dry out, and then do what I did. Grate it and put it in the oven. It'll go much quicker. Oops. A lot of things you can make yourself. If you can, just give it a try. Just give it a try. You'll appreciate it, and your family will appreciate it as well. So I just want to show you what this looks like, and then I'll go ahead and put it together and let you see. There we go. Just wanted you to see what they look like. And guess what? I just did. And I just told you not to do that to yourself, right? But I cut my finger. We're going to get a Band-Aid, and I'll be right back. Okay, I finished grating these, and I'm going to add some garlic powder. Like I said, you can add anything you want in yours, just not salt. I wouldn't recommend that you put salt. And I'm going to add some chives. Smells like a meal, and it's only breadcrumbs. So we're going to mix these up. We'll be good with some Parmesan in here, garlic, chives, and Parmesan. It's really good. I'm not going to add any cheese though. Let me put a few more chives in here. That ought to do it. Just going to spread them out, and I'm not going to cover these. I'm going to put my timer on 5 minutes, but I'm going to watch them closely. See how fine they are? You don't want them to burn. Though they can get brown, that's fine, but you just don't want them to burn. And into the oven we go. Well, not we, but the breadcrumbs. Okay, that took all of 5 minutes. If you can hear it, That'll tell you that it's nice and crispy. That's the way you want your breadcrumbs. I'll probably use these in some meatloaf or something like that. Who knows? I'm going to transfer this into a dish. Garlic and chives. And your panko. I hope that helped you out a bit. So the next time you're cooking and you run out of breadcrumbs, then don't worry about going to the store. Just get in your kitchen and make it really quick. 15-20 minutes, you'll have your things ready. Your breadcrumbs, anyway. Thank you for watching. And remember to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. And remember to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you. Share with friends and family. And comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, eat well, be well, stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. I really do. Later.